Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for honeybee stamps. We're reaching the end of summer, and as this video goes live, I'm actually visiting my childhood home in Virginia Beach as my parents prepare to sell it and move closer to me. So this kinda twilight, sunset-y inspired beach card seemed rather appropriate as a goodbye to summer and to my childhood home. I know a tropical sunset with palm trees isn't exactly the same thing as Virginia Beach, but it works well enough for me. Anyway, let's get started. First, I blended my sky using Distress Oxide inks on Strathmore Bristol Smooth Cardstock. I started with Wilted Violet, and then blended Picked Raspberry, Abandoned Coral, Wild Honey, and Mustard Seed. I kinda wish I had the new Crackling Campfire Distress Oxide ink color when I was making this card because I think it would have been the perfect shade of corally orange. Anyway, I went back and forth between the colors until I was happy with the way they blended together. Then I dried the panel with my heat gun and set it aside while I worked on the rest of my card. Next, I die cut the Ocean Waves and Sand with the Making Waves set and Black and Black Glitter cardstock. I love how the glitter cardstock gives the black a little dimension. I also die cut the palm trees from the Beach House add-on set with a mix of black and black glitter cardstock as well. I trimmed my background panel down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 and adhered it to a top folding card base. Next, I stamped the top layer with the sentiment from Seabreeze and heat embossed it with gold embossing powder. Then I adhered the 3 layers to the blended background panel. Next, I adhered the palm trees together using liquid glue from Honeybee Stamps. I used foam mounting tape to adhere the palm trees to the panel. Then I added a few of the sparkly palm tree leaves with liquid glue and added a little foam tape underneath to give them a little stability. Finally, I trimmed off the overhanging palm trees to finish the card. I love that you could totally change up the look of this card by adding traditional sky, sand, and tree colors, or go for a sunrise look with much paler pastel background colors. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting! Bye!